What's up, guys? Um, I fell asleep right after work, so that's why we're doing a late stream. There's. Let me make sure it's taking my right mic. Give me 1 second. Okay, cool. Hella software engineering ones just dropped in the past 2 days, so I got a lot of applying to do. But for some good news, I have an interview on Monday for a cool company. They actually reached out to me because of YouTube, which is incredibly cool. If you're watching this, appreciate you. So just in general, like, thanks for watching these guys. I appreciate it. It's like crazy the visibility that, like, or it's crazy like how visibility affects just like your ability to do stuff. So yeah, probably gonna do 1 or 2 lead code problems, maybe hop on the big cursor, get something else done with this like tutor match thing, because earlier today or yesterday, I kind of forget, I added this admin page. Obviously these are all fake emails and fake data because it's not actually real right now, but yeah, I added an admin page, and then my friend wants like a couple different edits of like making these two into like a drop down thing that you then like click and stuff like that. So might do that. We'll see. Depends how fast I can do some lead code problems. So, given an integer num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each line or each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it as shown. Okay. And we go up to 30. Is there anything special about this, or do you just brute force it? That's what I'm trying to think. Like, does this go deep? I'm trying to remember if there's like a good way of doing this. But I don't really think so. I can't really remember if there's a good way of doing this, so I'm just gonna do it the easy way. What's up, John? Because you have to hard code these first two, and then you can do it iteratively, I think. At least that's what the animation looks like. How's your application stuff going, John? How's life? You still looking? Trying to write a way to print a tree in a nice way recently, and I think you need to use something like this triangle. Maybe. Not looking that hard. It's fair. Oh, the fuck. I misclicked. Just trying to get raw at DSA. Yeah. Just get fucking nasty. But then again, like, some companies are swapping away from DSA. So I don't really know. Okay, what are other patterns? I'm gonna start doing that daily, even when I'm done leak code for the day. How often, like, how many are you doing a day? Okay, this is 1. Not many, that's fair. Or wait, would it be 2? I think it'd be 2. Um, 2. So it's like we're already starting here. The bad habit of spending an entire day on a single problem because I refuse to look at the solutions. See, I don't know if that's optimal. Low key. Like low key. Because I feel like if I don't understand one, I just like fucking, like whatever. Like it is what it is. You know, all the best. Thanks, man. You as well. You as well. It's not now. I think like just do I believe that? Yeah, I think like to an extent you kind of need to just like give up sometimes. It's just easier to see more. That's true. I mean, definitely both. How the fuck do you do this actually? Am I like an idiot? I feel like I'm actually just fucking being stupid. Would Kurt go in it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Settle down. Settle down. And then j is equal to I. Then we append 1. Or we don't have to do that. We can do that. We can do that. We can come back out here. Cur.append 1. And then in here. Fuck did we do? I think we need a resulting 1. And then outside of here. This something like res.append or no cur.append, and then it'd be what the fuck would the value be here? I minus 1 j minus 1 I minus 1 j, I think. Minus 1 j minus 1 plus reset I minus 1 j. Yeah? Do I believe this? I think so. Nope. No, I don't believe that. Why? Ah, because they should start here. Yes. This shouldn't be that. That should be that. Nice. Nice. Are you gonna write go again? I mean, I did like for the back end of this. I actually don't know when I'm going to. Because the next project I'm going to do is going to be in Rust. So I'm not sure. Because the next project is going to be this embedded microcontroller project with Rust. So, to be honest, I don't know. This tutor match thing like uses Go, but this is like it's not mostly my work. If like it's just a very, very basic CRUD app. So I was like I said like backend and Go, and then changed some stuff, and mostly like just had Cursor do it because a lot of it was like not much. Show you a Go trick. Put me on, bro. Put me on. Okay. Let's check out yesterday's. Because I didn't do yesterday's. I did neat code. Oh, okay. Give it an integer array. Turn the number of distinct bitwise ORs of all the non-empty. Interesting. Interface kind string. Are you telling me to like type this up? Or are you gonna, I thought you were gonna like give me a post to look at or something. Bitwise OR of a subarray is the bitwise OR of each integer in the subway. The bitwise OR of a subarray. If one integer is that integer, okay. So you want me to just like pull up a project and just do this? Okay, give me 1 second. Let me set that up. cddev. What the fuck? What is happening here? Hello? Okay. Let's get this up here. Okay, so go. Type tag interface. Tag name. Invalid composite literal type tagged. The fuck am I doing wrong? Wait, which one's not a struct? Sorry, I've been out of the Go for a little bit. Did you say, like, instead of making this a type, make this a struct? Is that what you mean? Like that? Second one, so this one. Wait, this is just wrong. This is just wrong. Yeah. So I have to make, like, isn't it like make a struct, like my tag? Is it extend? Wait, how do you, fuck, I forget the syntax of this. It's been so long. How do you, like, extend the interface? Chat. Type. Ah, yeah. Is this something like that? Undefined name. Ah, because this should probably be like string or something, right? Is that, why did my new one crash? Hello? What the fuck? Okay. Is it supposed to be something like this? Yeah. Gotcha. Undefined name. Unknown field name. How do you name fields again? Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. How am I being stupid? I'm being stupid, but I don't remember how I'm being stupid. I think I just don't need this. Wait, tag string where? Tags do tag string. Can't extend string. Sorry, I'm being an idiot. And wait, okay, let me just read this. Not field name. Oh, so do we call it on this? Is that what you're saying? Like, no, that's stupid. That's stupid. What I just did is stupid because we're creating one. John, I'm lost, bro. I'm too stupid for this, bro. I'm not too stupid. I'm just haven't done this in forever. It needs a method called kind. So is it like, do we define the method in here is what you're saying? Because I'm kind of confused going off of what you initially said. Like I'm rereading what you said earlier. And it's just, so tagged interface. Yeah, I'm lost. If you want to type something up, I will go back to it. But I'm gonna do this. What's good, 5? How you doing, man? I guess I could just look it up, like. Like the ergonomics of enums and Rust. Dude, I've seen some stuff. I've just never used it. But it seems cool. I mean, I'm always down to learn some stuff. Bro, holy fuck, my brain's not working. Because now this is annoying me that I can't fucking understand this. Is it not? But this should get capitalized, right? That's like the Go convention. So this definitely just needs something here. It needs some type of function implementation. Can you inline that though? I forget what the things are to inline a function. Needs to implement the interface. Dude, like, I think I just have a misunderstanding of what these words mean. What's up, guys? Just add that underneath the struct type definition. Like a function like this. What is this yelling at me for? No, what? Dude, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, John. I'm losing my mind. What are you building, Allie? Nothing. I'm building nothing. I am getting lost in the sauce of what John is trying to lead me. Okay, this is more similar to what I had earlier. And then is it just like returning anything? What the fuck ever. For real. Thoughts on, I'm still getting the same error. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. I'm so... Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a fucking bitch. Oh, for real? Powerful. Look at us go. Yeah, okay, objectively, that's my fault. Objectively, that's my fault. So then what? We can do something like... effective declaration. Why are you yelling at me? Why can't I pass this? Deferk. Am I stupid? Have I forgotten all of Go? Oh, you can't? Really? You can't use this syntax outside of a function? I just don't think I knew that. Huh. I guess I've just never encountered that. Or maybe I have and it's just been so long. Interesting. How did I forget that? That's like tripping me up. I thought no way I'd forget that. Okay, so now, or what? We would put these in like a name, like maybe something more like this, where you have like a my tag array, something like this. Can I do something like this? Now add an empty interface on the my tag struct. Okay, that's the wrong ones. Okay, so I can do something like this. I didn't fully forget the syntax. Well, that's quite cool. What's up, guys? Hello, hello. Alright, I'm just gonna give up on that LeetCode. Simply a strongly typed union. Think enum class tag. I guess we're going down the tagged union rabbit hole. Tagged union is also known as sum types. Variant types are disjoint unions. Imagine you want to be able to hold different types of data in the same slice or something. Oh yeah, so you need to be able to switch on it. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, okay. So you can confidently say which thing is what, okay. You can do a type switch, yeah, okay. Okay, it's coming together in my brain. Even though it's a pea-sized brain, it's coming together. Quit, move, or right. Memory tagged union typically consists of a discriminant, which is a tag and a payload. Yeah, that makes sense. Only the payload for the active variant is accessible. Tag is checked before accessing the payload. That makes sense. Yeah, okay. Okay, that also makes sense. Okay, I mean, this is cool. This is AI art at the end. Chat. Deferk. Oh my god, that's so funny. Tag lineage, you can do whatever. Yeah, I mean, that makes a lot more sense. Like, okay. I should really learn more about interfaces and stuff. It's probably very useful. Yeah. Fuck, I should do that. Well, I'll probably have to when I write Rust. Because, like, just essentially that's so much matching. Because, like, I'm going to be real with you. I haven't really worked with these much in Go. So, like, I'm quite uncomfortable with them right now. Because, like, yeah, I know they're important. I just haven't used them much because really I've only used Go as like not for the purpose of a Go, what Go should be. Like I've done it for like back end of like fucking CRUD apps. All right, well, unfortunately, I just saw the time and it is 11:37. I gotta go to bed. So, I will look into this more. I'm down to look into this more tomorrow. Seems cool, but I do just have to go to bed. Get up. Okay, I'll check that out then. Yeah, especially if you like put anything in the Discord about it, I'll look at it. But I gotta go brush my teeth and I gotta go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll lock in a little bit more. Hope you always have a wonderful night. If you haven't connected with me, or if you haven't connected with me, connect with me. Shout out the Discord. Shout out the LinkedIn. let's chat. All right, good night, guys. No more shameless plug.